श्री रवि कुमार एस हमारे एक अवॉर्डी प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मान प्राप्त करने पर अपने उद्गार व्यक्त करेंगे।
मो जन्मभूमि मो मातृभूमि मोर विद्याभूमि ओडिशा को आज फेरी आस मत आज बहुत खुशी लगुच। मुझे भी पहुंची एटिकार माटी पानीर अभावन सबुड़े रही। Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, Honorable Governor of Odisha, Sri Haribabu Kambambati, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Mohan Charan Maji, Honorable Minister of External Affairs, Dr. Jaishankar, Honorable Union Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Minister of Tribal Affairs, Jewel Aram, Minister of State for External Affairs, Kirtiwardhan Singh, Minister of State for External Affairs, Pavitra Margareta, and distinguished delegates from the state of Odisha and the Government of India. Thank you for hosting the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award awardees, the 27 of us. Thank you also to the Indian diaspora who've come here to celebrate in large numbers. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award honorees as well. The 27 of us represent 24 countries, covering community service, education, art, business, medicine, information technology, public affairs, and politics. It's both humbling and inspiring to celebrate our achievements today. It's a special moment specifically for me as I collect this award in my home state of Odisha, where I was born and brought up. My mother, who lives in Odisha today, has accompanied me here as well, so that's a very proud moment for me. The Indian diaspora is 35 million strong and has a profound global influence from economic impact to technology, culture, talent, and a diverse set of disciplines and professions spanning across a large number of countries across the world. Just as an example, to illustrate the diversity of our impact, 10% of the Fortune 500 companies are led by Indian origin leaders. 72 unicorn startups. Unicorns are ones who have at least $1 billion of valuation. Out of the 648, 72 out of the 648 are led by Indian origin founders. 60% of the US hotels are owned by Indian Americans. 22,000 faculty members of Indian origin are teaching in US universities, and much, much more in every country we are in. And the Indian culture has been a global differentiator, from popularizing yoga, festivals like Diwali, and promoting art, music, and literature. In the last 10 plus years, under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, not only has India emerged as a significant economic and geopolitical power, it has also connected the Indian diaspora strongly to the roots in India. This year's convention theme, Diaspora's Contribution to Viksit Bharat, couldn't be more fitting. As Indians abroad join Prime Minister Modi's vision to transform the country into a developed nation by the 100th anniversary of India's independence in 2047. The diaspora can make a huge difference in achieving this goal by focusing on areas such as technology, manufacturing, infrastructure, skilling, innovation, and R&D. The government's efforts to increase per capita in the eastern region, where the state of Odisha belongs to, is a key initiative where the diaspora can help in terms of literature, infrastructure, and creating partnerships for economic growth to bring balance into the country. I have personally seen Odisha's transformation over the past many decades, primarily from an agrarian state to today a leader in steel, minerals, mining, power and IT services. I have been talking to the Honorable Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who has a vision to make Bhubaneswar as a knowledge hub for education, innovation and technology. Once again, I want to reiterate on behalf of all the awardees, this is a powerful reminder of a shared responsibility to strengthen the bridge between India and the world, and I'm honored to sharing this stage with such inspiring and accomplished individuals in this year's Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Awards. Congratulations to all the esteemed honorees on your well-deserved recognition. This honor is a call to the Indian diaspora to continue creating opportunities and pathways to shape India's growth story. It's also a reminder of the importance of staying connected with the roots while striving for excellence on the global stage. Thank you again. Thank you for the opportunity.